How can you speed up the iPhone slow motion footage? Let me explain it to you how it works. If this is your first time on Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the point is that you capture the video through the slow motion mode in your camera and then it appears in your gallery. So if you want to make it like the regular speed and not like the slow motion anymore, the first thing to do is to open up that clip, tap on the edit button, and below the timeline you want to make sure that you can clearly see which part of the image or the video is slowed down and which is the full speed. So that's just how you can change it to make sure that the vertical lines here are not spread apart, so you can like put it all together and then the whole clip is in the full speed. Also in the top right, you have a speed dial icon, and you can make sure that the playback speed isn't like 25% or 20 or whatever, but you make it full 100% and it's going to be at the highest possible speed. So that would of course work, but if you want to go even beyond that, you would need to make sure that you have like a video editor which can like let you adjust the speed even more. For instance, the one I like to use is obviously named CapCut, and when you import the slow motion footage into the timeline, you can tap on the speed and not only slow it down, but you can literally bump up the speed to 100x of the speed. So there are plenty of ways how you can speed it up even beyond the point of like the built-in solution. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something else which I did not cover and you have in mind, then let me know about that below in the comments. I hopefully will be able to help you out further in the future videos. I make a lot of tutorials, so to make sure you don't miss them, subscribe, and that way you'll stay on top of things. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.